Step 9 of Who Am I? The Royal Path to Realize the Self. In this, we are going to see the pilgrimage we have already taken. How do I say that we have already taken? Those who have turned within themselves, those who are looking at their thinkers within them, feelers within them, experiencers within them, have already started the pilgrimage towards the self. You may see a slide here. It's given as pilgrimage to the self of silence, stillness, and consciousness of the deep sleep state. Yes, we have completely missed to realize our deep sleep state. It is the fountainhead of this cosmos. When it is said as cosmos, doesn't an individual is included in it? Whoever he be, she be, as thinkers, feelers, experiencers, at the substratum, only these instruments which are used to live one's life of existence, isn't it? This has been going on in cycles of birth and deaths. For our simple common sense, objective common sense, general knowledge, if I give you this suggestion, the gaze to look at like this, do you feel you are born during your deep sleep? You cannot feel that. There is no center within you as the I amness of the waking state, the experiencer of the waking state, the feeler of the waking state, the thinker of the waking state. And those things arise together with the identification of the body. Very, very subtly, these past registrations have been going on in cycles, and that you call it as your name of this birth, this life, this existence, and these credentials, whatever you enjoy or suffer. The spirituality has not brought out this simple truth, the truth about the deep sleep state. This slide shows a rippleless lake in which it is written as pilgrimage to the self of silence, stillness, and consciousness of the deep sleep state, which is innate, one with the easiness, intelligence, consciousness. In waking state, you just cannot get rid of the feel of the existence of your body in any of your intellectual feeling or experiencing or thinking. They are all like prisons, confines. Moment to moment you are shrunk. You shrink to the level of a thinker, and such a capacity the body has never had. The physical body, it never thinks. The physical body never feels. The physical body never experiences. But you, the moment you think yourself as an individual without these three types of subtle instruments coming into play, cannot be stopped at all. That's why to realize, to enlighten about the truth that exists innately within you, you will have to simply stop becoming a thinker, feeler, experiencer. That is the way this pilgrimage is taken towards the self of silence and stillness. For this, can you become a doer of a certain practice, a method, a lifestyle? Whose lifestyle it will be? Can it be called as a style of living? Do you actually come into play in this cosmic drama of experiencing, feeling, and thinking? It just can't be the way. At the very outset, this has to be constantly seen and be abided within you, thoughtless, thinkerless, feelingless, feelerless, experiencerless, experienceless. One might ask, sir, what do you say? How am I to live? Sir, you have missed the whole point, sir. See, we have completely got vitiated through this getting attached to the physical body as thinkers, producing lots and lots of thoughts, feelings, experiences, constantly with inner chatter, inner conflicts, dichotomy, pulls and pushes of momentary existence of this waking state in this cosmos, in this earth especially. Don't you obviously see the fact that up to the level of 5 sensed animal, a cow doesn't think. There is no such thinking through a thought arise in a cow. Even in inanimate matters, inertia, right from the sun, all the 5 elements, there is no such faculty called as thinking, thought. This is not a point to be understood again by you, your mind, intellect, etc., and take up as a practice to control, to stop thinking. You have to see the fact of non-thinking. Where does the proof exist for this? If you ask me, I will immediately refer you to this, our abode of pilgrimage, the deep sleep state. Do you feel that you are born? You just don't have any cognition at all left over in you. There are no these three faculties which are messing up, which are vitiating, diluting, deviating you from the very source for which What is the path? Silencing, stilling, silencing the thinker, feeler, and stilling the experiencer. That's all. So simple. I'm not advocating or advising any new way to become the truth. You are already the truth. You don't have to do anything. Just be. Just be silent. Just be behind your thinker and look at him. Does he exist? They are all passing sceneries in the stage of cosmic drama. Together with the cosmic cosmos, everything arises right to the level of your particular private shrunk feeling, temptation, condemnation, expectation, all sorts of things are all shrinkages. They make you as individuals throughout your waking state. You are making it, you are by feeling it, by thinking it, by experiencing it, you are again and again together with the cosmos, together with this world. You are making them yourself also real, which are not true. Let the body with a name and form, with many talents for our livelihood and to play characteristic roles, let it play, let it behave, let it act. This is going to be also run by the past registrations, let it take place. But inwardly, you should station yourself, isn't it? You should anchor yourself within you. And what is that you? That you is made up of the deep sleep state, silence and stillness. That's all. It's a rippleless lake. It's the truth. Until and unless, if you get anchored, if you don't get anchored, here thoughts will bring in lot of confusions. Thinkers will become always be in delusion because everything is like a mirage. Thinker is a mirage. On what authority this is being said by me? Simply the deep sleep is beyond birth and death of an individual, of anything at all, of a separate, shrunk intelligence as objective knowledge, objective understanding, objective knowing, objectified observers, thinkers, feelers, experiences. There don't exist a separated, isolated, shrunk, conscious thought, feeling, or an experience in this cosmos. There is only one stillness, one silence, just like the deep sleep state that we enjoy.